Namaste, and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Last class we have discussed exercise 7.2 and today we move on to the next topic, integration using trigonometric identities. We can discuss exercise 7.3. Let me start. Here the first question is integral sine square 2x plus 5 dx. Okay, integral sine square 2x plus 5 dx. We know sine square x, we have no integral formula, but we have trigonometric identity. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. From this we can find 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, or sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, this formula we can use here. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So this can be written as integral. Here sine square 2x plus 5. Sine square x. Okay. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So 1 minus cos 2 into 2x plus 5 whole divided by 2 dx. This 2 we can take it out. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus cos. This 2 we can multiply. 4x plus 10 dx. Right. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into, we can integrate. Integral 1 into dx. That is integral dx and it is x. Then minus integral cos x. Integral cos x is what? Sin x. And here sin of 4x plus 10. And we have to divide by the derivative of 4x plus 10. What's the derivative of 4x plus 10? It's nothing but 4. Okay. Then plus integrating constant c. Or we can write x by 2 then minus sin of 4x plus 10 divided by 2 into 4, 8. Then plus integrating constant c. So the final answer is x by 2 minus sin of 4x plus 10 divided by 8 plus c. Okay. Here the second question is integral sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Integral sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Here also we have no integral formula. So we can change the question by using trigonometric identities. Okay. So we have a formula 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. That you have learned in 11th standard. Right. 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. And from this we can find sin x cos y. Sin x cos y equal to 1 by 2 into sin x plus y then plus sin x minus y. This formula we can apply here. So integral sin x cos y 1 by 2 into sin x plus y 3x plus 4x, that is 7x, then plus sin x minus y sin 3x minus 4x, that is minus x dx. 1 by 2 you can take it out. 1 by 2 into integral sin 7x sin of minus x. What is sin of minus x? It is minus sin x. Okay. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Now we can integrate 1 by 2 into integral sin x. Integral sin x is minus cos x. Here sin 7x. So minus cos 7x divided by 7. Then minus integral sin x. Minus cos x and minus of minus plus. Plus cos x. Then plus c. Or we can write minus 1 by 2 into 7, 14 cos 7x, then plus 1 by 2 cos x plus C. Okay. Integral cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. First of all, we can group the terms. We can collect the first two terms together. That is cos 2x into cos 4x. Then the next one is cos 6x dx. So it's of the form cos x cos y. And we have formula for 2 cos x cos y. 2 cos x cos y is equal to what? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Okay. And from this we can write cos x cos y is equal to 1 by 2 into cos x plus y then plus cos x minus y. Okay. So here integral 1 by 2 into cos x plus y. So here cos 2x plus 4x 6x. Okay. Then plus cos x minus y 2x minus 4x, it's minus 2x into cos 6x dx. Cos of minus x, we have formula cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x, but cos of minus x is equal to what? Cos x plus cos x. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into integral cos 6x then plus cos 2x. Cos of minus 2x can be written as cos 2x into cos 6x dx. That is 1 by 2 into integral. This cos 6x we can multiply cos square 6x then plus cos 6x into cos 2x. Okay. That is 1 by 2 into integral. In the first term we can apply another formula cos square x. Cos 2x you have formula 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. From this we can write 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay. It's one of the important formula, frequently used formula. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 and sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay. So here we can write 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2 times the angle. Here 6x, so 12x. 2 into 6. Okay. If it is x, then 2x. Here it is 6x, so 2 into 6, 12x divided by 2. Then plus, in the second term we can apply the same formula that we have applied first. That is 1 by 2 into cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So here 1 by 2 into cos x plus y, 6 plus 2, 8x. Then plus cos x minus y, cos 6 minus 2, 4x dx. Okay. Here we can take on 2 outside from the denominator. We already have 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into integral 1 plus cos 12x then plus cos 8x plus cos 4x dx. Now we can integrate 1 by 4 into integral 1 dx. Integral dx is x. Cos 12x. Cos x is sin x. Integral cos x sin x. Okay. So sin 12x divided by 12. Then plus cos 8x. Sin 8x divided by 8. Cos 4x. Sin 4x divided by 4. Then plus integrating constant c. Or we can write x by 4. Then plus 4 into 12, 48. So 1 by 48 sin 12x. Then plus 8 into 4, 32. 1 by 32 sin 8x. Then plus 4 into 4, 16. 1 by 16 sin 4x. Then plus c. Okay. Now we move on to question number 4. Integral sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. We have formula for sine 3x. Sine 3x is equal to what? 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. And this we can write 4 sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Or we can write sine cube x is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sine x minus sine 3x. This formula we can apply here. Sine cube 2x plus 1. So integral 1 by 4 into 3 sine x. 3 sine, instead of x it is 2x plus 1. Then minus sine 3x. Sine 3 into 2x plus 1 dx. Now we can integrate. 1 by 4 is common. So 1 by 4 into 3 sine 2x plus 1. 3 is a constant. So 3 into integral sine 2x plus 1. Integral sine x is minus cos x. So minus cos 2x plus 1 divided by derivative of 2x plus 1. It is 2. Here sine 3 into 2x plus 1. Sin x integral minus cos x. So minus of minus plus. Cos 3 into 2x plus 1 divided by derivative of this quantity. Derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. So divided by 6. Then plus integrating constant c. So this can be rewritten as minus 3 by 4 into 2, 8 cos of 2x plus 1, then plus 1 by 4, 1 by 6, that is 1 by 24. This can be treated as cos 3x, cos of 3 into 2x plus 1, okay, cos 3x. And cos 3x we have formula, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So using this formula we can simplify. So 4 cos cube 2x plus 1, then minus 3 cos x, 3 cos 2x plus 1, and which is equal to minus 3 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1. This 1 by 24 we can multiply, 4 and 24 we can cancel, it gives 1 by 6. 1 by 6 cos cube 2x plus 1. Here minus 3 and 24. 8. So 1 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1. So here we have two like terms, first term and last term. Minus 3 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1. Okay. Minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. It is minus 4 by 8 and which gives minus 1 by 2. Okay. So we can combine first and last term and we can write it as minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 1, then plus 1 by 6 cos cube 2x plus 1, then plus integrating constant c. Here also you have to write c. Okay. So our final answer is minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 6 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now the next question is integral sine cube x into cos cube x dx. Okay. So here first of all we can rewrite the question. Sine cube x can be rewritten as sine square x into sine x. Okay. Sine square x cos cube x, that sine x we can write last. Sine cube x equal to sine square x into sine x. Okay. And this sine square x, we have identity, sine square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x into cos cube x into sine x dx. Okay. Now we can substitute cos x as t. Okay. Put cos x is equal to t. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt, or sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So we can replace 1 minus cos x is t square into t cube, then sin x dx will be equal to minus dt. So into minus dt. That is integral. This minus t cube we can multiply. Minus t cube into 1. Minus t cube. Minus into minus plus. T square into t cube. T raised to 5 dt. Or we can write integral t raised to 5 minus t cube dt. Now we can integrate t raised to 5. T raised to 6 by 6 minus t cube. T raised to 4 by 4 plus c. That is 1 by 6 into t raised to 6. T is cos x. So cos raised to 6x. Then minus 1 by 4 into cos raised to 4x plus c. Okay. Now listen to question number 6 and 7. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, and next one is sin 4x, sin 8x. We have trigonometric formula for minus 2 sin x, sin y. That is minus 2 sin x, sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. And from this we can write sin x, sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y minus cos x minus y. Okay. By using this formula, you can solve this problem. Okay. First one, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Here we have to group this term like question number 3. Okay. And in this question, no need to group. There are only two terms. You can directly apply the formula sin x, sin y. Minus 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Right. So like question number 2 and 3, you can solve this question. So do it yourself. Okay. Now we move on to question number 8. Integral 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. We have direct formula for these two. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. So integral 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This 2 and 2 we can cancel. Sin by cos is tan square x by 2. Tan square x we have no formula, so we can apply trigonometric identity again. Tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. So here sec square x by 2 minus 1, which is equal to integral sec square x by 2. Integral sec square x is tan x. So here tan x by 2 divided by derivative of x by 2. Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Then minus integral dx. Integral dx is x. Then plus c. Or we can write by taking reciprocal, 2 goes on the numerator. So 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. So final answer 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Okay. Here the next one is integral cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x, here we can use the formula. Cos 2x we have formula 2 cos square x minus 1. From this we can write cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. 1 plus cos x. In the last question we have applied the formula. 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. So which is equal to integral 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Now we can split the denominator. 2 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This time we can cancel, we get 1. So integral 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by cos is sec square x by 2 dx. Now you can integrate. Integral 1 into dx. Integral dx is x minus 1 by 2 into integral sec square x. Sec square x tan x. So here tan x by 2 divided by derivative of x by 2, 1 by 2. Then plus integrating constant c. Here this 2 and 2 we can cancel. And our final answer is x minus tan x by 2 plus c. Clear? Now the next question is integral sine raised to 4x dx. So this can be written as sine square x the whole square dx, and which is equal to integral sine square x. We have already applied the result. Sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, like in the first question. Okay. So here 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 the whole square dx. Now we can take the square. Here denominator term is 2. 2 square is 4. That 1 by 4 we can take it out. 1 by 4 into integral. Numerator is of the form a minus b the whole square. 1 minus cos 2x the whole square. Okay. So a square 1 square 1 minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Then plus b square. That is cos square 2x dx. That is 1 by 4 into integral 1 minus 2 cos 2x. Here also we can apply the formula cos square x. Cos square x is what? 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. And cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. 1 plus cos 2x. 2 into 2x. Okay, that is 4x divided by 2. If it is x, then 2x. Here 2x, so double. 2 into 2, 4 dx. Now we can integrate, which is equal to 1 by 4 into, first term 1 into dx, integral dx, x, then minus 2 into cos 2x, integral cos 2x, sin 2x divided by 2. Then plus this 1 by 2 we can write first. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is common to both the terms. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx, that is x. So 1 by 2 x. Again 1 by 2 into integral cos 4x. Integral cos 4x is sin 4x divided by 4. Then plus c. That is 1 by 4 into, this term we can combine, x plus 1 by 2x, that is 3 by 2x, 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So 3x by 2, then 2 and 2 we can cancel, minus sin 2x, here plus sin 4x divided by 8, then plus c. Or we can multiply this term, 3x divided by 8, then minus sin 2x divided by 4, then plus sin 4x divided by 32 plus c. Clear? And the next one is integral cos raised to 4 2x dx. So here we can write cos square 2x the whole square. Cos raised to 4 2x can be rewritten as cos square 2x the whole square dx. Okay. And cos square x, we have formula what? Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So here integral 1 plus cos 2x, 2 into 2x, 4x divided by 2 the whole square dx. And by taking square, numerator a plus b the whole square, denominator 2 square 4. That is 1 by 4 into integral 1 plus cos 4x the whole square, a plus b the whole square. So 1 plus 2 cos 4x, then plus cos square 4x dx. That is 1 by 4 into integral 1 plus 2 cos 4x, then plus, again we can apply the same formula. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Here 1 plus cos 2 into 4x, that is 8x divided by 2 dx. Now we can integrate, which is equal to 1 by 4 into first term 1, integral 1 dx, that is x. So x plus 2 into integral cos 4x, sin 4x divided by 4. Sin 4x divided by 4. Then plus 1 by 2 into integral 1, again x. Then plus 1 by 2 into cos 8x. Cos 8x is sin 8x divided by 8. Then plus c. Okay. Here also, like in the previous question, we can combine these two terms, x plus half x, 3 by 2 x. So 1 by 4 into 3x by 2. This 2 and 4 we can cancel, here 2. That is plus sin 4x divided by 2. Then the next term, sin 8x divided by 2 into 8, 16. Then plus integrating constant c. You can multiply this 1 by 4, 3x by 8, then plus sin 4x divided by 8, then sin 8x divided by 16 into 4, 64, plus integrating constant c. Understood? Now we move on to question number 12. Integral sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. First of all, we can rewrite sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. We have identity, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx, and which is equal to integral 1 minus cos square x. 1 can be treated as 1 square. So a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So here we can write 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. This 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x we can cancel, and which is equal to integral 1 minus cos x dx. Now we can integrate integral 1 dx, integral dx x, then minus integral cos x sin x, plus integrating constant c. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.